Hello everyone. Physics EMSAT question. A person weighing 785 newtons on the surface of Earth would weigh 298 newton on the surface of Mars. What is the magnitude of the gravitational field strength on the surface of Mars? So in this question, as we know that the mass doesn't change whether it's on Earth, on Mars, on Moon, whatever. So here we know that the mass on Earth is equal to the mass on Mars. So from Newton's second law, we know that F equals ma, which is the same like the weight equals mass times the gravitational acceleration g. So the mass is equal to the weight over g. So here the weight over g on Earth is equal to the weight over g on Mars. So now let's substitute the values. So the weight on Earth was 785, and we know that g for Earth is 9.81 is equal to the weight on Mars 298. So 298 over g on Mars, which we want to get it. So now just we'll cross multiplication and we'll get that g on Mars will be equal to 298 times 9.81 over 785. That would be equal to 3.72 Newton per kilogram or meter per second square. So let's check the answers. Here, the third answer is the right answer. Thank you.